In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 display scaling blurry. If text and icons on your screen look soft or out of focus, it's often due to display scaling that doesn't match your monitor's resolution or size. High-resolution and multi-monitor setups can especially highlight these issues, so let's walk through the built-in Windows settings that help restore crisp, clear visuals. Start by opening the Windows Settings app. Press Windows and the I key together on your keyboard. This takes you straight into the central place where you manage how your system looks and feels, including display options. In the Settings window, select System. This section controls core features like display, sound, notifications, and power. You'll find what we need here. Next, choose Display. The Display page is where Windows manages resolution, brightness, multiple monitors, and, importantly, scaling. Look for the Scale setting. Scaling adjusts the size of text, apps, and other items so they're comfortable to read and use, especially on high DPI screens. If this value isn't ideal, some apps can appear blurry or uneven. Set scale to the recommended percentage shown by Windows. The recommended value is automatically calculated based on your monitor's resolution and physical size, and it's designed to balance readability with sharpness. Common values are 100%, 125%, 150%, or 200%, but the exact number may vary. Sticking with the recommended option usually ensures fonts render cleanly and interface elements look consistent across apps. After you've confirmed the recommended scale, scroll down and click Advanced Scaling Settings. This page provides deeper context on how Windows handles scaling under the hood. You'll see information about how certain apps respond to scaling and how Windows can help when an app doesn't scale perfectly. Use this as a reference to understand what might cause occasional blur with older programs, or when you've mixed monitors with very different resolutions. In most cases, leaving your system on the recommended scale avoids problems and keeps everything sharp, but it's helpful to know where these advanced controls live if you ever need to review them. Once you've adjusted the scale to the recommended percentage and visited the Advanced Settings page, give your desktop and a few apps a quick look. Text in menus, document editors, and browsers should appear crisper, and icons should have cleaner edges. This simple pass-through display settings resolves the majority of scaling-related blur on Windows 11 and sets a solid baseline for everyday use.